Welcome to Best Western Plus Erie Inn and Suites, the right hotel in Erie, Pennsylvania for travelers who want a 100% smoke-free, pet-free close to the attractions. We invite you to experience our complimentary full hot breakfast and indoor heated swimming pool. We are located 1 mile south of Erie's premier shopping at the Mill Creek Mall and minutes from Presque State Park, where you can enjoy miles of beaches and nature trails. Stay with us for free breakfast and other amenities you'll love when you make us your Erie hotel near Presque State Park. You're staying just 1 mile south of the excellent shopping opportunities at Mill Creek Mall and also close to Tom Ridge Environmental Center, Waldemere Amusement Park, Presque Downs and Casino, and Erie Art Museum. We look forward to the pleasure of serving you at Best Western Plus Erie Inn and Suites, the right place for business or pleasure travelers who insist on getting the most for their money. Please make your reservation now through this convenient website for the best availability and pricing. www.bestwesternerie.com